Chickens are so nosy, they got to be in everything. Can you imagine if chickens drove to work? They would never get anywhere. Just like us slowing down to watch an accident on the freeway. Hi, where are my rocks? It's me, your big bad government. How are you doing, girls? Where are my eggs? Where are my eggs? Oh, you don't like your border? You don't like your border? Well, we'll go check out customs and see if you can run around, okay? Oh, here comes Big Mama. Hi, Big Mama. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, thank you. Are you going to leave me an egg? Are you going to leave me an egg? Yes, I've had these girls since they were chicks. And yes, they've been vaccinated. Because I'm the big bad government, I just want to make sure they are alive and well. Hi. Oh, look at your comb. It's so big. Hi, Celia. Did you pay your taxes, Celia? Celia, did you pay your taxes? Okay, okay, thank you. Thank you. Not liking the cracked corn? Okay, we'll order some whole corn. Oh, I said that last month. Yes, I did. Okay. It's coming, it's coming. See, we're them right now. We're chickens also. Now, if I was a real farmer, and this is the Americas, what are my intentions? Right? There you have it. Okay, no, I'm not going to call any of you guys. No, you are going to retire here, okay? Don't worry.